What's the meaning of caryatid? Caryatid. Caryatid.
Caryatid. Caryatid. A caryatid is a sculpted female figure used as a decorative architectural support, typically taking the place of a column or pillar. These figures are usually carved from stone or other durable materials and serve both a practical and artistic purpose in supporting the weight of a structure while also adding aesthetic value to the building's design. The use of caryatids dates back to ancient Greece, where they were often used in temple construction. Today, they remain a popular form of embellishment in architecture and can be found across the world in buildings of various styles and time periods.